Here's another custom built Christine that I just finished working on in 1/18 scale. This is based on a movie, Christine, the horror movie Christine, I should say. And this is when Christine came out of the fire. It was all burnt, charred. I've used the Motormax model to make it look like the one in the movie. I've also installed working lights in it. That's the 9-volt battery that runs the lights. You see features opening trunk, doors, and under the hood you have the detailed engine. On and off switch right here. And turn the lights on so you can see. You got the working headlights. You can see the charred body. Burnt marks all over, and the rear tail lights. I'm the only one doing this car, so you will not find anywhere else. You will not find in any store, Amazon, or anywhere else. Like I said, since I'm the only one doing these cars, it'll be up on eBay shortly. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. Please ask all questions before you bid, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see my other builds. All right, guys, thank you very much. Have a great day. One last look. And the lights are rated 100,000 hours, so they'll last you forever. And you saw the battery is really easy to get to, so that's pretty much it. It does come with its box. Take care.